And to solve the TextNow registry problem on your PC, well, it's very easy. Okay, it's a topic that the link here is not good. Okay, now I'll explain to you. Well, let's go to inosatextnote.com. Okay, and if you download, okay, here we're going to click, well, what they would have to do, what we would have to do. Okay, it's good. We would go to the Microsoft Store. Okay, here we give it to Spanish. Okay, and here we could then have the application. We have the download or view button in the Microsoft Store, since we would have to go see it in the Microsoft Store since it does not work. Okay, that's why we have the problem we have with Pixino registration. Well, here we are going to click obtain, okay? And you will now be able to download it perfectly, register, and you would already have test now. Perfect. Bye.